cane, watch this. I'll show you how to live with bliss. No sight, no fear, just the rush I miss. Hold my cane, watch this.
I almost wondered when I stopped myself.
This is Manta SeaWorld Orlando. I'm definitely getting some hang time already and ain't even left the station yet.
Oh my God, there's so much room behind me.
There we go. I think this pretzel loop is going to be nuts. Alright, I'm going back in my seat a little bit, thank goodness.
We're about to go upside down, so you probably want to tell the stream when it's the right time.
Yep. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Whoa! Yeah! Holy crap! Woo! Here goes the pretzel loop. Whoa! Holy crap! Woo! Yeah! Alright, mid-course. Whoa! Oh, yep, on the water. Oh. Oh man, that was awesome.
We got real close to the ground right there.
But when we did that pretzel loop, I went from filming this to holding on. That was insane,
I
but
didn't
good.
expect that inverted